Hi, my name is Jess from ColDesi, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to sublimate on a mouse pad. Now, these mouse pads are a great online retail item. They're affordable to produce, which leaves room for a high profit. So let's go ahead and jump in. As you can see, we were able to fit two different pictures of two different dogs on our Sublimation 11x17 paper. So we have our blank mouse pads from Best Blanks. They cost about $1 each, with our paper costing about 32 cents a piece, and our ink to print these images is about $0.25. So roughly, to print and create these mouse pads, it would be around $1.57. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is cut these images to separate them so I can put each on a different mouse pad. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my heat tape to apply and secure my mouse pad onto my image. And as you can see, we do have some bleed around the corners here for a better finished look. Now once we are done applying our heat tape, we can go ahead and move over to our heat press. Our Sawgrass calls for 400 degrees for 60 seconds, and we've placed a regular piece of printer paper on our heat press to prevent bleeding from the mouse pad onto the heat press. So we'll flip our image so that it is facing downwards on the mouse pad. Then we're going to use a finishing sheet on top and we'll press. So you'll want to be careful because this will come out very hot, but there is no dry time and there's no residue left over, and you'll just peel your image off, and now you have a finished and ready mouse pad. So custom mouse pads like these cost about $1.57 to produce, and after a little bit of online searching, we found that you can sell these for around $15 a piece. If you'd like to learn more about the Sawgrass 1000, visit bestblanks.com.